about a forest animal called a rabbit. It is a mammal. This animal lives mostly in the shrub-layers zone of the forest. This rabbit likes to eat carrots and flowers. One interesting fact about this animal is they like to hide. I like this animal because it hops day and night. Gracelynn.
My report is about a forest animal called a wolf. It is a mammal. This animal lives mostly in the shrub layer zone of the forest. This wolf likes to eat rats and bunnies and fish. One interesting fact about this animal is they belong to the dog family. I like this animal because they are soft and fluffy. That's.
My report is about a forest animal called a butterfly. It is an insect. This animal lives mostly in the understory zone of the forest. This butterfly likes to eat pollen from flowers. One interesting fact about this animal it lays eggs. It eats pollen from flowers. I like this animal because it is cool. Journey.
My report is about a forest animal called a cougar. It is a mammal. This animal lives mostly in the shrub layer zone of the forest. This cougar likes to eat meat. One interesting fact about this animal is cougars like to climb. I like this animal because I like the cougar because it is very skinny. Frejya.
My report is about a forest animal called a squirrel. It is a mammal. This animal lives mostly in the canopy zone of the forest. This squirrel likes to eat nuts, seeds, insects, worms, and mushrooms. One interesting fact about this animal is squirrels eat eggs. I like this animal because they have big fluffy tails.
My report is about a forest animal called an owl. It is a bird. This animal lives mostly in the understory zone of the forest. This owl likes to eat mice, frogs, and meat. One interesting fact about this animal is owls hear better. I like this animal because it is cute. Walker.
My report is about a forest animal called a badger. It is a mammal. This animal likes mostly in the herb layer zone of the forest. This badger likes to eat ground squirrels. One interesting fact about this animal is badgers usually live up to 5 to 10 years. I like this animal because he is mean to other animals. Garrett.
My research is about a forest animal called a fox. It is a mammal. This animal lives mostly in the shrub layer zoo of the forest. This fox likes to eat insects, grass, and fruit. One interesting fact about this animal is foxes have bushy tails. I like this animal because it is fluffy. My name is Maddie.
My report is about a forest animal called a brown bear. It is a mammal. This animal lives mostly in the shrub-layer zone of the forest. This brown bear likes to eat meat and salmon. One interesting fact about this animal is they can't stand. I like this animal because it is fast. My name is Colton.
My report is about a forest animal called a opossum. It is a mammal. This animal lives mostly in the zone of the forest shrub layer. This opossum likes to eat chicken eggs. One interesting fact about this animal is opossums play dead. I like this animal because I like opossums. It stole my chicken egg, Sebastian.
My report is about a forest animal called a deer. It is a mammal. This animal lives mostly in the shrub-layer zone of the forest. This deer likes to eat only plants. One interesting fact about this animal is deers can run fast. I like this animal because they are so cute, Kyler. My report is about a forest animal called a earthworm. It is a Italy. This animal lives mostly in the forest floor zone of the forest. This earthworm likes to eat dirt. One interesting fact about this animal is worms have 5 hearts. I like this animal because I touched one. Clara. My report is about a forest animal called a black bear. It is a mammal. This animal mostly lives in the shrub-layer. This black bear likes to eat meat. One interesting fact about this animal is black bears usually can climb. I like this animal because he looks cool. Bryce Bell.
My name is Dean Clark. My animal is a cardinal. Cardinals are birds. Cardinals live in the forest and trees and they make nests. Cardinals eat fruits, nuts, insects, and seeds. Cardinals, named after Catholic cardinals with red robes. They also use ants to remove parasites.